Hello, I'm Dr. Umar Malik and welcome to Med Simplified. The superfood that we're going to talk about this Sunday is Moringa and its amazing health benefits. It is also known as the miracle tree or the horseradish tree because of the numerous health elements it contains. Moringa is a plant native to India, Nepal, and the adjoining Southeast Asian countries, and has been used since centuries for its numerous health benefits. It has anti inflammatory properties, antioxidant properties, it contains abundant varieties of different vitamins and nutrients, and it also has very good amounts of protein in it. It also has pain relieving properties. Moringa has been used for asthma, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, breastfeeding problems, and many other purposes like for improving digestion, improving decreased libido, and immunity. It can also be grown cheaply and easily and retains much of its nutritional value when it is dried. It is most commonly consumed in a powder form and can be added to many dishes, and it is also been used as a tea. We will talk about several ways and about how you can incorporate Moringa plant in your diet in the end of this video. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So without further ado, let's begin and we will talk about the 5 amazing health benefits of Moringa plant. Number 1. Moringa is packed with vitamins and minerals. The leaves of Moringa plant contain more vitamin C than the same amount of oranges. This gives Moringa its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 1 cup of chopped leaves is considered a good source of iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and riboflavin, and has notable amounts of potassium, vitamin A, vitamin E and magnesium. That means Moringa can contribute to everything from better vision and immunity to bone health and skin radiance. Number 2. Moringa plant has abundant amounts of protein. The powder made from the leaves and branches of the Moringa plant contain abundant amounts of protein. Although there are many vegetarian sources of protein like soy, tofu and oats, what's special about Moringa protein is that it is a complete source of protein, meaning it contains all 20 essential amino acids, as compared to many other sources of plant protein which contains incomplete proteins. These incomplete proteins lack one or other essential amino acids that cannot be produced by our body. So in that case, the protein present in the Moringa plant is very good for our body. Powders made from its crushed leaves are packed with almost 3 grams of protein per tablespoon. Number 3. Moringa is good for your liver health. Free radicals are created in our body by things like pollution, fried food, sun exposure, drug intake, and many other harmful activities going on in our body. They damage our body by causing oxidative stress, cell damage, and premature aging. This damage is especially prominent in our liver as it is most active site in our body for the waste removal and free radical metabolism. The Moringa plant contains abundant antioxidants like flavonoids, polyphenols, and ascorbic acid that can help to reduce the damage that is done by the free radicals. This promotes liver health, and a diet rich in antioxidants has been shown to prevent premature aging and wrinkles on the skin. Number 4. Moringa is good for people with diabetes. Moringa helps to reduce the amount of glucose levels in the blood, as well as the sugar and protein levels in the urine. Spikes in the insulin and blood sugar levels can lead to development of type 2 diabetes and obesity. According to a scientific study, Moringa leaf powder extract has been effective in reducing the lipid and glucose levels in patients with diabetes. One clinical study also proved the therapeutic antioxidant properties of Moringa as well as the lower fasting glucose levels in postmenopausal women who took a supplement with Moringa and amaranth leaves for 3 months. One animal study even showed that the Moringa in the diet could help to reduce weight gain and insulin resistance. So all this evidence shows that Moringa plant is very good for people with diabetes and obesity as well. Number 5. Moringa is good for digestion. Moringa leaf powder contains about 30% fiber. Most of it is insoluble, which is very good for digestion and prevention of constipation. Moringa is a natural antibiotic and antibacterial agent and may help in the inhibition of growth of various pathogens that can cause digestive upset. Those who suffer from constipation, bloating, gas, gastritis, and ulcerative colitis should add moringa leaves to their diet. The leaves have antibiotic and antimicrobial properties which make them an ideal remedy against digestive disorders, and the high amount of B vitamins in the leaves help in improving the digestion. You can click on this video which is showing on your screen right now. This video will guide you as to how you can prepare moringa powder extract and incorporate it into your diet. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by pressing the like button on this video and by sharing this video with your friends and family. You can also support us by becoming a member of our Patreon group. All the links are given in the description box down below. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.